Good morning, students. This is Shivani here. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to the maths class. Student, today's topic is descending order forming number. Student, do you know what is descending order? Descending order means number arranged from greatest to smallest. Descending order means number arranged from greatest to smallest. Now see question number 3 of exercise 1C. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Now some numbers are given. We have to arrange this number in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Now see A part. Numbers are 48,422, 72,954, 3,819, 29,150, 5,203. Okay. Now again the same steps we are going to follow as following the ascending order. But here we have to write the numbers from greatest to smallest. Okay. Firstly we will write greatest number first because here we are talking about descending order. So here firstly we will count all the digits of the given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4-digit number. Okay. Here there are 1, 2, 3. 3 5s and 4 and 2 4s. So firstly we will write greatest number because descending order means greatest to smallest. So firstly we will see first greatest number among these numbers. Okay, here there are 3 5. So firstly we will compare these three numbers. Okay, so now we will compare the first digit from the extreme left. You already know. See here 4 7 2. Now students, we have to write the first greatest number. You can see here 7 is greater than 4 and this 7 is greater than 2. So this is the first greatest number. So we will write here 72,954. Okay, just put the cross over here. Okay, now we will compare these two numbers. 4 is greater than 2. So next greatest number is 48,422. Right here 48,422. Put the cross over here. And next greatest number is 29,150. So right here 29,150. Okay, just put the cross over here. Okay, now only two numbers are left. Both are 4-digit number. Okay, so student, which one is largest? 3 or 5? Yes, 5 is greater than 3. So next greatest number is 5,203. Okay, put the cross over here. And what is left here? 3,819. So at last we will write 3,819. I hope A part is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to D part. Numbers are 99,356, 83,096, 54,809, 12,542, 96,103. Okay, so firstly we will count all the digits of the given numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here all have 5-digit numbers. Now we compare the first digit from the extreme left. Here is 9. Here is 8. Here is 5. Here is 1. Here is 9. Okay. Now see which number is greatest. 9, 8, 5, 1, 9. Here there are 2 9s. Now we will compare these two numbers. If the first number is same, then we will see the second number. Now here we will see the second number. Here is 9. Here is 6. So 9 is greater than 6. So the first greatest number is 99,356. 99,356. Now put cross here. Next greatest number is 96,103. Okay. Now 8, 5 and 1. Which is the next greatest number? 8. Okay. So next greatest number is 83,096. Okay. Only two numbers are left. Now we will compare these two numbers. Here is 5. Here is 1. Okay. So which one is the largest? 5. So next greatest number is 54,809. Only this number is left. At last we will write 12,542. I hope descending order is clear to everyone. So rest of the part you can do yourself. Okay student, next topic is forming numbers. Forming smallest number. So you know how to form smallest number. To write the smallest number using given digit, we arrange the digit in ascending order. When we form the smallest number, we arrange the digit in ascending order. If 0 is one of the digits, it takes the second place after the smallest digit. If two of the given digits are equal, we write them one after the other. How to form the greatest number? To write the greatest number, we arrange the given digit in descending order. When we form the greatest number, we arrange the given digit in descending order. If two of the given digits are equal, we write them one after the other. So let us look an example to understand it in a better way. Now see question number 4. Form the smallest and the greatest number using the following digits. Here we have to form the smallest number and greatest number using the given digits. Now see A part. Digits are 3, 0, 2, 4 and 7. Okay, now we have to form the smallest number. Okay, student, smallest number. When we form the smallest number, we arrange the given digit in ascending order. Okay, if 0 is there, always remember, if 0 is there, when we make the smallest number, we always write 0 at the second place. Okay, we always write 0 at the second place. Suppose I am writing here 0 at first. After 0, what is the next smallest digit? 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 7. Okay. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 digits. When I write 0 at first place, it becomes a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. So okay, if we write 0 at the first place, it becomes a 4 digit number. So 0 doesn't have any value when we write in the front. So you have to keep this point in your mind. When we form the smallest number, we write 0 at the second place. Okay, so except 0, what is the smallest digit here? You can see here 2. So firstly we will write here 2. I already told you 0 always come at the second place. So we will write here 0. Okay, next smallest digit is 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 7. Okay, now we will form the greatest number. Students, greatest number. To write the greatest number, we arrange these given digits in descending order. Okay, you can see here which one is the greatest digit here. 3, 0, 2, 4 and 7. You can see here 7 is the greatest digit. So firstly we will write here 7. Okay, after 7, next greatest digit is 4. We will write here 4. After 4, 3. Then 2. Then 0. Okay, and student, keep one thing in your mind. When we are forming the numbers, we will not insert commas after each digit. Okay, so we will put comma after every period. Okay, you know, once period has 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So commas come after 3 digits from the right. Similarly, we will put comma here after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. So smallest number is 20,347 and greatest number is 74,320. Okay, now I will explain one more example. I am explaining this D part. Digits are 3, 6, 2, 4 and 1. Okay. Smallest number. Which one is the smallest digit here? 1. Okay. After 1, 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 6. So we will put comma after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. So comma come here. Okay. Now greatest number. Which one is the greatest digit here? 6. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1. 1, 2, 3, comma will come here. Okay. So I will explain one more part, that is F. 3, 0, 6, 6 and 6. Okay. See here, smallest number. See, except 0. Which one is the smallest digit? 3. So we will write here 3. I already told 0 comes at the second place. So we will write here 0. You can see here there are 3 6. So if 2 or 3 of the given digits are equal, we write them one after the other. So we will write 6 6 6. So comma will come after 3 digits from the right. 1, 2, 3. Now greatest number. So 6 is the greatest digit here. There are 3 6. So we will write here 3 times 6. 1, 2, 3. After 6, next greatest digit is 3. Then 0. 1, 2, 3, comma will come here. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.